I know a lady, and this lady, the only thing that she does is she goes to different stores and she does in-store product demonstrations. That's her job. She goes to all these different stores. She goes in when it's a busy time for them and she just interacts with the customers and she tries to pull them into a demo. This is a perfect example. This could work in just about any store. We have these 3 floating shelves here on the wall. We've got a couple of different vases and we have a few little botanicals that are tossed in here. The way to engage with customers in the store is to get them to sometimes touch things. And of course, sometimes we don't want them to touch things. It seems like it's always the glass that we have to clean. But at the same time, if they're wondering how this is going to look in their home, here's our 3 shelves. This would be a great place here on this table to put our options. Put 2 or 3 different vases here, let them pick up the one, put it on the shelf, and get them involved with the product themselves, because what's going to happen is as soon as they touch that, they're going to take a little bit of ownership for it, especially once they've made the choice off the table and they decide to put it on the shelf. That's probably going to be the item that they take to the checkout counter. And so maybe in home decor, we don't have a lot of product demonstrations that we're thinking about, but we can build that into different places on our sales floor. All you have to do is give the customer an area where they can make a choice.